large resort with many buildings. The 50s is one entire section. There's the 60s building, and then they have the 70s, 80s, and 90s all in one area. And then this is a path you would take to get to Art of Animation or the Stamp. Here's the 70s building. We got a big wheel. And on this side, giant Mickey phone. Here we are at the 80s pool. Rubik's Cube. Now let me tell you, this is quite a hike from the Skyliner and the main building, but maybe you want to be far away. And we got Who Framed Roger Rabbit and a smaller pool up here. Stay in the 80s building, you have quite a hike to a pool, and especially if you're in the 70s building, you have to go to the Hippy Dippy pool or the pool by the 80s, and that's quite a walk. But if you have younger kids, maybe you want to be away from the crowd. But if you also have younger kids, that's a lot of walking. Like, this is a lot. Our building, you're behind the giant Play-Doh, and if you look, you can see little thumbprints in their ears, like they were made from Play-Doh. I love it. Here's our room tour of room 4242 in the 60s building. So here we go. Walk in. This is the Hidey Bed, so this one's gonna pull down. When you walk in, we have a nice fridge. We have a coffee machine, ice bucket, cups, nice windows. We have some recycling drawers in here for nice storage. Nice television. We have 2 USB ports and 2 plugs there. We have a safe here, which is pretty deep. They're always pretty big. You have the other bed. Here we go. And underbed storage under here, which is nice if you have a lot of luggage. And then here we are in the bathroom area. So this is a nice little closet area. Got storage for shoes. We got ironwear. There's a lot of storage in here, I'm finding. I guess I could take my mask off. Sorry about that. Hair dryer. Oh, an iron. That's nice. La me. We have this. Oh, my favorite. One of these mirrors. And then a nice bathroom area. Look at this shower. I like that they have this now because I was using it way too much. A nice shower. Whoa. With that. So cool.